how to fix could not find the recovery environment in Windows 11. So if you're trying to reset your computer and you're seeing this error message, I'm going to show you a couple of ways to go and solve the issue. Now, first thing you need to do is open up your Start menu, search for CMD, and then right-click on the command prompt and run this as administrator. Now, from this window, type in reagentc /enable and then press enter. Now, if you see a message that says operation successful, then you can close out of this window. If for some reason it doesn't work, then you'll need to type in sfc /scan now and then press enter. You'll then need to wait a few minutes while this scan carries out. Once the scan's finished, you can go and re-enter the command reagentc /enable and then go and press enter. Now, once this is complete, you can try resetting your PC once again, and you can check to see if the error has now been solved. If it's still not working, then open up your Start menu and search for Create a Recovery Drive and click on this option. Now, before you do this, you'll need to go and plug in a USB stick into your computer, as that's what we need to select as the recovery drive. Once you've done this, you can just go through the steps to set up a recovery, and that should have now fixed the error could not find the recovery environment.